Welcome to the best picks. The best Kids Indoor Trampoline is probably one of the most sought-after gifts for children aged 5 to 12, offering endless hours of fun, fitness, and excitement. This video will help you navigate the world of indoor trampolines, highlighting key features, safety considerations, and essential factors to ensure you choose the perfect bouncing haven for your child, transforming their playtime into a joyful and healthy experience, while ensuring safety is a top priority. Number 5. LANGXUN 60 Kids Trampoline. It features a seamless design between the enclosure and the jumping mat, eliminating any gaps where little ones could get stuck. The unique external net design provides extra space and durability. This trampoline boasts a galvanized steel frame with reinforced T-sockets, preventing twisting and ensuring stability. The safety net is made from high-density, UV-treated PE thread for long-lasting use. Heavy-gauge springs deliver a superior bounce, while the heavy-duty, UV-protected jumping mat ensures strength and durability. The vibrant yellow color adds a fun, athletic touch. It comes with an adjustable basketball hoop and a dartboard, providing extra entertainment options. It's perfect for kids aged 1 to 8. Everything you need for quick and easy assembly is included. You can start bouncing in no time. This trampoline makes a fantastic birthday or holiday gift for toddlers and kids. It's a great first trampoline for active children. What we like? It has a unique net design with no gaps, ensuring your child's safety. The added basketball hoop and dartboard provide extra fun. If you're looking for a safe and engaging trampoline with added features, this is the one for you. What people say? The safety features are great. There is no way for your child to come into contact with the springs. It has great rebound just like a full-size trampoline. Easy to assemble and perfect size for the back porch. Safety net is nice and sturdy and the height of the ground is ideal for little ones to climb in and out of. Number 4. Kids Trampoline with Safety Net. It features a seamless design between the enclosure net and the mat, preventing your children from getting stuck. The 360-degree net and protective foam padding keep them safe while they jump. It boasts rust-resistant springs and a high-quality jumping mat for superior elasticity and durability. This ensures long-lasting fun and high bounces for your kids. Its galvanized steel frame with 6 balanced contact points provides stability and prevents slipping. It's designed to hold up to 220 pounds, allowing multiple children to play together. Unlike larger trampolines, it's perfect for indoor use. Let your kids enjoy active play even on rainy days, promoting exercise and fun. With our detailed instructions, assembling it is quick and easy. You can have it set up and ready for jumping in under 35 minutes. What we like? This trampoline boasts a 360-degree safety net and a superior bounce. It's also incredibly easy to assemble. If you prioritize safety and a great bounce and want quick setup, this trampoline is perfect for you. What people say? Super sturdy. Easy to build. Bought this for my 3-year-old so she can wear herself out during the day. She loves it, great quality, easy to put together. Put this together with my adult daughter and it works great and grandsons love it. It was easy to assemble and so far it is holding up nicely. We have it in our basement for the winter and it is a nice way to get the kids some exercise. The enclosure makes it super safe, no worries about falling off. Number 3. BCAN Mini Folding Trampoline. This is the perfect indoor or outdoor trampoline for toddlers aged 2 to 5. It's designed with safety as the top priority, giving parents peace of mind. It features an ingeniously integrated pad and mat, eliminating gaps where little feet could get caught. This minimizes the risk of falls and keeps your child safe. With a foam handlebar, non-slip rubber tips, and stability-enhancing washers, it provides a worry-free bouncing experience. It's built to last and keep your child secure. It boasts 28 extra thick springs, rigorously tested over 200,000 times. This ensures a safe and supportive bounce every time. It comes with all the necessary tools, a clear video guide, and easy-to-follow instructions. You can set it up effortlessly, all by yourself. It encourages active play, helping your child develop muscle control, coordination, and bone density. It's a fun way to promote healthy development. We offer quick replies within 24 hours and have parts warehouses across the U.S. for easy and efficient after-sales service. We're here to help. What we like. With its innovative no-gap mat and extra thick springs, it provides superior safety and a great bounce. It's also easy to assemble. If you need a safe and durable trampoline with a strong bounce, this is a great choice. What people say. Assembly? Easy peasy, putting this thing together was a breeze. No crazy instructions or leftover screws, just a few clicks and pops and it was ready to jump on. Tiny jumper, big smiles. My 3-year-old daughter thinks this trampoline is the best thing since sliced bread. It's the perfect size for her to bounce around and burn off some energy, especially on those cooped-up rainy days. Space-saving bonus. Even though we have a house, this trampoline's ability to fold up is still a plus. When playtime's over, I can easily tuck it away in a corner or even shove it in a closet. Number 2. Happin 55 Toddler Trampoline. It has uniquely curved poles creating a safety gap between the net and poles, reducing collision risks. Thick foam padding provides extra protection, ensuring peace of mind. This indoor trampoline is designed to be quiet, providing hours of fun and imaginative play. It's a great way to help your child release energy. Perfect for all weather, it will keep your little ones entertained whether it's sunny or chilly. Enjoy hours of jumping fun, no matter the season. It makes an excellent gift for birthdays or holidays. Kids love defying gravity, and parents appreciate how quiet it is. Assembly is quick and easy, and its compact design makes storage simple. Get it ready for playtime in minutes, and put it away just as easily. As a US-based company, we prioritize safety and quality. We're confident it will last, and we're here to help if you ever have any issues. What we like. It features curved poles to reduce collision risks and thick foam padding for extra safety. It's also designed to be quiet. If you value safety and a quiet playtime, this trampoline is ideal for you. What people say. The mesh enclosure on this Happin, attached on the bottom to just the jumping surface and held away from the poles, springs, and base, was a necessary choice for me, based on how I saw her fall in her mesh-sided playpen. It is very sturdy and I found it very easy to build. You have to put your back into the springs. The suction cups on the bottom also help for stability and noise reduction. Number 1. Toddler Trampoline 36 foot. It boasts powerful straps for strong support and a high-rebound PP material jump pad. This ensures a spacious, safe, and fun jumping experience for kids up to 154 pounds. It's more than just fun, it helps kids exercise, build muscle, improve coordination, and burn energy. They'll love this fantastic way to stay active. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they bounce and play. It's a gift that promotes happiness, and it's perfect for sharing with friends. The foldable design makes setup a breeze. Rubber feet provide stability and floor protection, while the padded handle and cover offer 360-degree safety. Your child's safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities. We offer a 1-month warranty and 24-hour customer service support. What we like. It has a high elastic jump pad for a great bounce and is designed for easy assembly. The sturdy construction and padded handle provide 360 degrees protection. If you want a trampoline that's fun and helps your child exercise, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to assemble, less than 5 minutes. I was surprised at the sturdiness of it. This is a great sturdy trampoline that all 4 of my kids use. They use it one at a time and take turns because there is a weight limit. Their ages are 3, 5, 9, and 10. Easy to assemble. Love the padding to protect little feet and the bar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.